All right, guys. Looks like 20 spots at 20 bucks each. I'm not sure.
What if people had a battery level icon, like on your phone? You'd see a lot of us walking around all day in need of
14 winners, looks like. Live at 7:36. My PMs ain't working very good, so if your messenger's not working very good, so if you try to message me and I don't answer, when I refresh the page, it'll be there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Jason Denny, Stegman Denny, Blackledge Denny, Blackledge Moss, McKent, Stegman, McKent, Denny, Hughes, Tamberlini, a lot. There's the results. How many winners I say it was? 14. So from Ally up wins. Post that verification in there. And done at 7:37. Congrats to the winners and good luck.